Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to restart your laptop on Windows 10. So this tutorial will apply for earlier versions of Windows as well, but I just wanted to make a tutorial for our Windows 10 users out there. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So a couple different ways to do it. The first way I would actually recommend would be to head over to the Start menu and left click on the Start button one time. And then there should be a little power icon on the left side where if you hover over it, it should say power. If you left click on that, there should be an option that says restart. And when you're hovered over that selection, it should have a dialog window that says closes all apps, turns off the PC, and then restarts it or turns it on once again. So that's one option. The other option would be to use a keyboard shortcut Control Alt Delete. So again, if you hold down the Control Alt Delete keys on your keyboard at the same time, you should come up with a screen that looks like this. I'd recommend left clicking on the little power button in the bottom right here, and then left clicking on restart. And again, it's going to be the same dialog window we saw through the start menu. And that's pretty much it, guys. So pretty straightforward tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.